Hello everyone and welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to the question pertaining to the logical reasoning section of the paper. So logical reasoning again this year the question have been very typical. So we have seen multiple variety of questions come across this paper in general. So let's focus on the question pertaining to distance and direction. So we'll be doing this so that we can get a general idea to how to go about solving this kind of question, so that whenever we come across these questions in general in an examination or the further examination in the coming years, we are easily able to solve the same. So having said that, let's look at the question. The door of Ajay's house faces east. Okay, from the back side of the house he walks straight 50 meters, he then turns right and then walks 50 meters again. Finally, he reaches towards left and stops and walking after walking 25 meters. Now, Ajay is facing in which direction from the starting point? Okay. So now it's said that the door of Ajay is basically facing east. Okay. So what he does, if his door faces east and he walks from the back side of his house, that is in the west direction. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me just draw a direction diagram so that things become clearer. Okay, so this is my direction diagram. This is north, south, east, west, northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. So we'll basically try and understand with respect to the same. Okay, so what is does this Ajay's house doors basically faces east. Okay, and he enters from the back side of the house. So if his front door faces east, suppose this is faces east, so this is his front door, this is facing east direction, so his back door would actually face, what to say, his back side of the door would be on the west direction. Okay, so yeah, he would be walking from the west side because he enters from the back door, right? So he would be coming in from the back side. Okay, so having said that, let's now try and understand. So Ajay basically goes, so Ajay, since he enters from the back side of the door, so from the back side of the house, so basically he would be going towards the west side. Okay, so how Ajay would be traveling, let's just try and make that out. So Ajay here goes. Ajay starts from here, say this point. Okay, Ajay starts from here and he walks till here, this point. So this is 50 meter which is given. Now what he does is that he turns right. So if he turns right, he'll go this direction and walks another 50 meters. This is another 50 meters. And then he turns left and walks 25 meters. So he walks another 25 meters and then stops. Now what's being asked, what is in which direction is Ajay facing from the starting position? So if this is the starting position, this direction would be northwest. I hope this is clear. It's northwest. So he's facing northwest. That is option 4 is our correct answer. So I hope this is clear how we are able to solve, how we can actually make out to go over this. So in case you are having any difficulty, try and go through the video multiple times to get a better idea on how we came over with the solution of the same. Having said that, in case you are looking to get yourself the full detailed solution pertaining to the entire paper in general, I suggest you go to the description section of the video and then contact us via all the medium that is said over there, be it your email, be it your phone, WhatsApp call or text, or even you can visit our website, and the details pertaining to the same are given in the description section of the video. So having said all that, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up relevant content such as this further down the line as well. And we'll be continuing off our discussion with respect to the questions similar to this, similar to this kind of papers pertaining to the logical reasoning section, the quantity section, the verbal ability section in the coming videos as well. So with all that said and done, I think I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.